Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me Ariba and this is my YouTube channel, My Happy Vlog. Today we will make popcorns. So let's start it. So first of all, we will put 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, and then 1 cup of corns that are hard, not soft, and we'll mix it, and we'll cover the pan so our popcorns have good result and looking so yummy. In the last video I have made spicy Korean noodles, link in the description. Our popcorns are ready, looking so yummy. We will dish out in the bowl and we will taste it and tell you how is it. Please like my channel, subscribe my channel, My Happy Vlogs, share. Bye bye. See you again. Tada.